Hello everyone, and welcome to our first BC X-ray beginners tutorial. This video was specifically designed for new BC X-ray users that are eager to fully grasp and utilize its fundamental features and tricks. Agenda for this tutorial is simple, yet effective. We will start with reason for field change, followed by field level security, customizable email notifications, pre-posting tracking, and more. Additionally, we will explore each feature individually, providing real examples within Business Central, ensuring you make the most out of this powerful tool. Remember that you can navigate to your preferred section of this video using the timestamps below. So sit back, relax, and carefully follow the video. When you first enter into your Business Central system, choose and select any page that you would like to activate BC X-ray on. For the sake of this video, we will go to the customer list and choose a random customer. In this case, we have Spotsmeyer's Furnishings. To illustrate the capabilities of the BC X-ray, let's theoretically say that we know that the payment terms code must be set for 2 days, however it is set to 21 days, and we don't know why. Luckily, here is where BC X-ray comes to help. By pressing on ALT+C, we get to open the interface of the tool, which allows the user to navigate through all the field changes related to the current customer record. However, we are interested in payment terms code, so let's filter out all the other fields for a clearer picture and find out why the change occurred. Once filtered, we are left with changes that occurred around payment terms code and its essential information such as date and time, change number, username, field number, field caption, type of change, both old and new values, reason tab, and so on. One of BC X-ray's core features is reason for field change. This feature lets users write a description explaining why a change occurred, providing context and details. For example, by examining the latest change, we see that Morton changed the payment terms code from 2 days to 21 days. Instead of contacting Morton for an explanation, we can simply read the attached reason, which states that this change was agreed upon with the credit department. This feature includes an additional option to create your own reason codes. You can find these reason codes on the right side under Table Field Setup. Reason codes can be set up for both tables and fields. In this case, you'll see the number 3 under Reason Code field, indicating that there are 3 reason codes available. By clicking on this, you can view each reason code along with its description and the number of changes associated with it. For example, our reason related to the financial department is labeled under the reason code, FIN. If we go back to our reason, we'll also see the corresponding reason code attached to it. This system allows managers to search and filter changes more quickly and efficiently, saving both time and resources. Let's move forward with another valuable feature of BC X-ray, field level security. Suppose we want to ensure that Morton will no longer make any changes to payment terms code. Field level security is the perfect solution for this. This feature allows managers to select specific users who are either restricted or permitted to make field changes. By navigating to the right side under Table Field Setup, you can quickly see the number of both permitted and restricted users. To open and customize this feature, you can click on the displayed number or scroll down a bit and click on Current Field Setup. Once here, we can click on the number of either restricted or permitted users, for a special tab to open where you can add or remove selected users. This tab offers the flexibility to edit the list by individual users, or security groups, allowing you to manage hundreds of users with just a few clicks. Email notifications is a special feature that comes with BC X-ray. This feature sends email alerts about changes to any selected field. For instance, if our users make any changes to the payment terms code, we will be notified immediately. In the Table Field Setup, you can see the number of users who will be notified. By clicking on it, you can easily customize this list by adding or removing users. If we go back to the current field setup, we can further customize the feature. Here, we can choose to receive alerts immediately, hourly, or daily, and even customize the timing for disabling notifications on newly created changes. You can also opt to receive notifications for changes from blank fields. This feature is crucial for maintaining the quality of your workflow and minimizing the risk of unnecessary alterations. Pre-posting tracking is yet another powerful feature that comes with BC X-ray. The feature is essential for going back in time and follow all the pre-posting changes that occurred on the posted documents, specifically on the following documents: shipments, sales invoices, and credit memos, as well as for the purchase receipts, invoices, and credit memos. Let's start by looking at a specific posted sales invoice. Normally, once an invoice has been altered, you can't see what changes were made before it was posted. However, with pre-posting tracking, we can easily go back in time and review all changes. For demonstration purposes, let's choose the following item line. Theoretically speaking, we know that our sales agent has initially recorded an invoice for 10 pieces with a 15% discount. But now, when we check the invoice, it shows 6 pieces with a 10% discount. To understand what happened, we click on Show Change Log. The change log reveals that there was indeed an original order for 10 pieces with a 15% discount. In this case, our sales agent has changed the quantity number, and the discount was changed automatically by the system. However, if the sales agent had tried to manually change the discount, we could add reasoning for such case, so we know why such changes occur. There could be many reasons for such changes. Perhaps our sales agent made a mistake initially, or another user with access made the change. It's also possible that the customer requested the modification. The possibilities are endless, but one thing is certain. With pre-posting tracking, you get complete transparency, allowing you to monitor and understand any past modifications related to both posted sales and posted purchase documents. Last but not least, BC X-Ray provides a smart integration with Microsoft Azure Cosmos DB, allowing to transfer change log entries from Business Central to Cosmos database automatically. This feature comes with a bunch of advantages, most significant ones being the ability to save costs on storage in cloud, saving storage space on-prem, faster copy of the companies and environments, faster backups, and lastly, improve performance within your environment. To summarize this beginner's tutorial, it is safe to say that BC X-Ray is your right companion when it comes to managing the dynamics of data changes within your Business Central setup. We hope that this tutorial gave you a better understanding of what to expect from BC X-Ray. And if you found this video helpful in any shape or form, we would appreciate if you could subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to write it in the comments below. Also, make sure to visit our website for a free trial.